This is the Deutz Fahr 4CN, an engine made of cardboard. It took 3 months to complete, but this is the final product. I also did it out of my own mind, and you will see this beast running at the end. You will be stunned when you see it. I can even take out a piston just to show you that it's exactly like in real life. It has everything, as you can see. All parts of a real engine are included. Camshaft, cylinders, exhaust, and everything else. The small electric motor is turning the shaft. If I press this power button,
Then the C on the controller. This cardboard creation comes to life. Then it runs on its own.